Hello friends, welcome to IT Turkey. My name is Chandra Sharma and in this video I am going to show you how to install Windows Server 2019 data center and activate the Windows Server. So these are the basic requirements which we need to install the Windows 2019, and you can use infrastructure as per your requirement and availability. So in my case, this is my demo lab. I have one physical server and I have create one VM on that to install the Windows Server 2019. You can download the ISO from Microsoft website or get into it PC website. You can see the URL in this link. So let's start. I have added the ISO with my VM and I'm going to start the installation of Windows Server 2019. Here you can select the options as per your requirement. Click next, install now. These are the three modules and this is a license term and condition. I accept, click next, customize, click on customize, select the partition where you want to install. I'm going to format my partition and click OK and click next once my partition is formatted. Now click next. Now installation is going on, it will take some time. Meanwhile you can take a sip of tea, coffee or water, whatever you want. I hope you like this video and this video help you to install the Windows 2019 server as well as activate that operating system. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. It motivates me to make more and more videos for you. It's ongoing, almost there. Now system is going to reboot. When first reboot it will take some time because it's preparing the operating system files. Starting services. It will take some time, everything is going to ready, services, patches, updates. So once it's ready it is going to reboot. Now it's going to reboot. Now here it's asking for the Windows key license. If you have a key you can enter that key. If you want to activate the window later, then click on below link and click next. Now here you have to set the administrator password. By default username is administrator and here you have to enter the password and retype the password and click on finish. Request you to remember that password. Now it's going to install some features and it will take some time. Do not close this Windows or skip that file. It's installing some features as services which is required by 2019. It's enabling some services and features. Be online, be patient. Once these features are installed, that machine is going to reboot again. I hope you like this video. Okay, now going to log in. Enter the administrator password which you set earlier. Okay, yes, pretty good. Now it's preparing the user profile services. It's preparing the desktop files as well as desktop background. It will take some time when you install that operating system. Next time it will not take any more time to log in. Now here I am going to show you the configuration of my virtual machine. Here you can see the configuration of my machine. Also you can see the Windows is not activated right now. So I am going to activate the operating system. For that you have to close this window. Right click on desktop and click on activate. Be online, it will take some time. Almost here. Now it's activated successfully. You can see the message on your screen. Press any key to exit. Okay, now I am going to see the Windows is activated or not. Let's see. Properties. Now here you can see the Windows is activated. I'm going to show you, this is the latest version of Windows which is provided by Get Into It PC website. And here I am going to show you the updates. You can see here all the updates and it's showing the last date of update the operating system. So these are the updates which are already done on this ISO. You can see the dates here. Fine, good, fine, good. This is our server manager dashboard. You can skip it, whatever you want. About your PC. Here you can see all the details related to that machine. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you find any problem during installation. Let us know. Your feedback is highly appreciated. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and share this video. It's really motivate me to make awesome stuff for you. Thank you. Keep watching.